Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, back with another Memory Makers design team layout. So it is a digital company, and the release for today is Animals in the Snow. I went ahead and printed some stuff off. I do just kind of want to show you. So I guess we'll get up. So there's all kinds of fun bits and bobs and just all kinds of stuff to just fussy cut until your little heart's content. So that is from all the extras. Then we've got the decorative papers. Why is it not opening? Okay, so as you see, we've got fun little elements in there. All kinds of them. We have mini folders. Apparently my phone does not want to play nice, but you can do little mini folders and stuff to create some cards. All the solid color cardstock that comes with it. There it is. It's all now loading. And then our toppers, which are these very beautiful. Look at all those animals. How gorgeous is this? All right, so we have that. We're going to do a doggy photo. We're going to use some animals in the snow while my dogs are sunbathing on the patio. So I've printed off this that I'll fussy cut. I'm going to fussy cut out some of this. Definitely want to fussy cut this. I'm going to fussy cut. I'm going to make a shaker pocket. And I've got the rabbit because it's just like Maggie's afraid of rabbits. But we've got a sleeping fox, which I thought was beautiful. And then this elegant fox here. So you'll be seeing those. I've pulled this from my stash so that I have some 12 by 12 cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and get to doing all of that fun stuff. And then once I get this all fussy cut, we'll assemble the layout. So give me just 1 minute and I'll be back. All right, we're moved in a tad too close. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out those ticket strips and made that as like the vertical design. I used, instead of making shakers, I used all those frames to make a fun mat around my photo, which is popped up and sitting here. I've got these little guys that we are going to pop right up here, just to create another fun element up there. Whoa. Whoa, Kimosabe. What else do we have in this little fun thing? Let's go ahead and use this. So we can get our journaling stuck in there. Let's go this way. I like this way better. All right. Well, I can't pick it up. So let's put that one there, and then let's stick this one right here. That is better for the journaling since it's like, you know, actually a journaling bit. Okay. Let's see if we can get that guy down there. And stick this one in here. So it's so much fun. You can print them at any shape or size. I just went with the size that it was created as. Get this little wolf on there. Got those two little banners that are the tags and the banners and just some stash twine. Let's go ahead and put this one under there. All right. Then we've got this little tag tab that we're also going to layer in there as well. So just kind of layering some things up, right? So you got a little bit of space for our journaling. I did cut this out, but I just don't have a place for it on here right yet. I think these will match. And let's grab those. So I'm going to pop those around the layout. That is how easy that one of these layouts come together. I'm about to knock everything off the top of my desk. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop these around, and I'm going to create like all kinds of little clusters, and so you will see that in the final photo. I do thank you guys for hanging out with me. Is there anything I want to add up here? Or maybe... if I come in with some of these hearts, right? Like sprinkle the blue hearts, even though we're going to put other bling on there, but I think this will give it some dimension, make it pop. Right? I'm digging that. So let's do that. I'm just going to stick those down with some liquid adhesive. It's getting stuck down nicely. Now if the glue squeezes out, it's going to be okay. Right, and then we're going to do like, 3 here, 3 here, and we'll mix them up. And I will see you later with another video. Don't forget to check out the Memory Makers page. Pick yourself up some of the new releases. 2 new digital designs drop every month, and they are fabulous. So thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Bye. Actually, there was one more thing that I want to do, but as you can see, I got the little dots on there. I do want to come in with my G2 Pilot gel pen. And let's just... well, that didn't work. Why is it not working? Okay. I think this one will work. Guys, my G2 pen failed me. We're just doing some very messy, sketchy lines. I'm just going to keep going back and forth. Just right there. And the other thing that I think we should do is splatter with some white. So we'll just grab a little bag up here. Yeah. I need to cut it to fit sometimes because I don't want to have to move it. So we're going to go ahead and put that right there just to cover the photo. We're going to add some of this because I've been doing some fun mixed media on all of these Memory Makers. And we're just going to go right there. It's not really going to show up on that very much, but it's represented in my mind. Okay. That just adds just a little bit of something something. And as you can see, like I said, the half pearls are on there, so that is fun. All right, now I really will see you guys later. Bye.